A little butter, a little oil. In goes sliced onions, sliced mushrooms, and a pinch of salt. In this bowl, I have a pound of ground lamb. To that, I'm going to add diced jalapeno, sliced green onions, and all of these seasonings listed here. Lemon zest and the juice. It helps balance out the flavor. Cook until the cheese is all melted. Start with 3 slices of bread. Today we're using honey wheat Sara Lee because nobody does it like Sara Lee. 3 to 4 slices of turkey, 2 slices of Swiss, and another piece of bread. 3 to 4 slices of ham, 3 slices of cheddar, and another piece of bread. It's like a Scooby-Doo sandwich. Slice your sandwich in half. Wrap your sandwich halves, however many you have, in some plastic wrap. Put them in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to chill. 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2 eggs, and 2/3 cups of water. Add the wet to the dry, just like that. It should look like pancake batter. Our battered sandwich. Shake off any excess. Place your battered sandwich into your hot oil. Should look like that. Kiss the sides before you flip. Flip. Another 3 to 5 minutes. Add your roast to the crock pot, set it on low. Add 1 can of French onion with beef stock. 1.5 cups of water. Seasonings that you added to the roast, measurements to the side. Let's make a sandwich out of avocado bread. You're going to need 3 avocados. Then you're going to scoop their guts out. Put it in a mixing bowl. Just like that. Do the other avocado. Now you're going to add 3 eggs. Now you need to grate 3 cups of cheese. I'm using this one and this one. Now add your 3 cups of cheese to all your avocado. You gotta mix and mash. Get to mixing and mashing. Spoon your mixture onto your baking dish. Spread it out a little bit. Just like you're making a little bun. Little avocado bun. Cute. Just like that. Bagel to the top of the avocado bread. Now bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Avocado bread. It looks so nice. Let's build the sandwich. Mayonnaise to the base. The pieces of buffalo chicken breast. Slices of smoked turkey. And voila! Today, we make roast beef sliders and au jus. Get out your favorite 9x13 baking dish, take some butter, and butter the entire pan. Take your rolls out of the package, take a bread knife, and then you slice your rolls down the middle so that you have a top and a bottom and your bottom is still connected. Place the bottom half of your rolls in the baking dish and then take your secret sauce and you're going to spread that all over the bottom of the rolls as much as you like. This is going to be so good. Now you spread the Monterey Jack over the buns, covering all of the mayonnaise. Like, you don't want to see any of that secret sauce. Pile on the beef. 9 pieces of provolone. Add the crispy fried onions. Gently place the lid on top. Push it down just a little. Garlic butter sauce. It's 1/2 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, and 1 tablespoon of everything but the bagel. Just like that. Now pour it over your rolls. Make sure everybody gets it. Cover with foil, and we're going to bake it for 8 minutes. Remove the foil, place back in the oven, and cook for another 3 minutes. Make the au jus according to the package. They're so messy. Dip it. Y'all better go make it. Be sure to put those crispy fried onions on it too. It's so good. Y'all, you gotta try this. Into a hot pan. One white onion sliced thinly, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of oil, a little salt, a little sugar, and caramelize them. Just like that. Now take them out, drain them on a paper towel, and put them to the side. Ground beef into balls. Don't season and don't flatten. We're going to smash them in the pan and season halfway through. Now add your burgers and smash them. About 7 minutes each side, and once you're flipped, you're going to add a little salt with a little pepper. Just like that. Butter or mayonnaise both sides of some buns and toast both sides of the buns. Add a burger and some onions to one of the toasted sides. Now add some cheese, another burger, and some. Put their tops on, cover with a lid, let it cook till the cheese melts with the sauce. Go try it. So good.